Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to make your own custom scented body wash from our body wash base to expand your product line. Our body wash base is made in Canada, ready to use, and formulated with silk amino acids, aloe vera juice, and chamomile extract. It nourishes and hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. It's also sulfate-free, free from parabens and phthalates. It's instantly usable as is. No mixing needed or additional step, but you can also add a fragrance and tailor it to your needs. As always with candles and room sprays, we suggest batch testing a small amount of body lotion before moving on to large quantities to ensure your desired results. To create your own custom body wash, get your favorite fragrance oil and measure out the amount of body wash base needed. Mix in your fragrance oil. The max amount of fragrance oil is up to 0.5%. Stir gently until it's fully blended, which should take about 2 to 5 minutes. Once done mixing, pour your new custom body wash into its container. Let it settle before use for the best consistency. Always make sure to reference the IFRA sheet for exact percentages when mixing in fragrance oils just to be safe. And keep in mind that this indicates the max amount of percentage. If you find the scent to be too strong, you can always use less, but never go over. It's also great to try and match the containers you use for your candles to the containers you use for your body wash to create a cohesive brand and let your product flow on social media. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.